Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the VAN 1067 error in League of Legends, a common issue that prevents the game from launching properly. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Restart VGC service. Go to the Start menu and type Services. Open it and in the list search for VGC. Once you find it, double-click it. Change the startup type from manual to automatic. Click Start, then Apply, and OK. Now close this window and try launching League of Legends again. Step 2. Flush DNS and reset WinSock. If the first method didn't work, do this. Go to the Start menu, type CMD, and right-click to run as administrator. In the command prompt, type the following and press Enter, ipconfig/flush DNS. Then type netsh winsock reset. Hit Enter again. Once that's done, restart your computer. Now, relaunch League of Legends and the VAN 1067 error should be gone. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more quick fixes. Thanks for watching, and good luck on the Rift.